Here we have a 70 plate Bentley Bentayga First Edition. Now this vehicle has a 4-litre V8 engine and produces over 500 brake horsepower. We have the 22-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the blue exterior paintwork. We have the daytime running headlights, the black grills, we have the Bentley badge at the front of the bonnet. This vehicle also has just under £40,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. We have the air suspension so the vehicle can raise or lower. Colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows and the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. Black roof rails up top along with the panoramic glass roof, which is currently open. We have the rear spoiler. We also have the first edition badging as well just there. We also have the 360 cameras with the front and rear parking sensors. We have the Bentley again on the power operated tailgate, the quad tip exhaust as well. So if you press this button just here, you find that the boot will open just like so. And inside of here you find that we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. We have the nice carpet as well just there. We also have the 12-volt connectivity and a storage net on the left. If you come up here, press this button, you find it will close just like so. And then walking back around to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the interior, in the back first you find that we have the full leather interior, we have the 3 seats, we have the foldable armrest in the centre, the first edition as well embroidered there, which is a nice touch. We have the fixed ISO points. Both of these outer seats are heated and they can also get cooled as well, all controlled on this little screen just down here. We can also adjust the likes of the radio and the climate control as well. We also have the leather trim on the doors, we have the electric windows, the premium name sound system just there as well. Taking a look at the front, we also have the soft closed doors as well. Taking a look at the front now, we have again the full leather interior. Both these front seats are heated and also cooled, electrically adjustable, as you can see just there, with the memory functions down here. They also have the massage feature as well. We have the padded headrest which can be adjusted just like so. On the doors again we have the electric windows which are locked for each side, electric heated mirrors, again the premium name sound system. We have the auto lights, we also have the blind spot assist on the mirrors, the auto wipers, a multifunctional steering wheel which is electrically adjustable and it's also heated. Taking the seat inside, you find we have the paddle shifters on either side, we have the digital dashboard and the heads-up display, the lane keeping assist just here on this stalk, speed limiter and the cruise control as well. If you put our foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us and you'll find we'll be free from any warning lights just here on the digital dashboard. If we just turn the volume down for the radio. We also have the sat-nav on the dashboard where you can get a full screen or a half screen like so. It's all controlled on this side of the steering wheel. So as you can see we have the phone connectivity, we also have the media just there for the radio as well. We also have other bits of information which we can scroll through just here like that. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre just there. We have a nice little clock as well, as you can see just there. Now on the main infotainment screen you find that we have the likes of the sat-nav just here. We also have the phone connectivity where we have a range of media. We have the radio just there where you find the internet, the DAB and AM FM radios. We also have the other options if we go into car. This is where you'll find we have the vehicle status. Click onto there and you find we have the ride height. We're currently on the access, which is the lowest ride height. We can go and click onto off-road and the vehicle will start rising. You see the little indicator just on the dashboard as well, telling you that the vehicle is rising. If we go back onto the home, go onto car again, this is where you find, if you go back from car, you go onto the lighting and visibility, you find that we have the mood lighting, which is the ambient lighting, lots of colours to choose from just there. If we go back onto the home again, we also have the phone apps where you find that we have the Apple CarPlay and also the Android Auto. If we press this button down here, you find we have the cooled seats, or press the other button and you find that we have the heated seats. We also have a button on the seats themselves which will activate the massage features. As you can see, we've got a few features just there to choose from. Go back onto the home, we have even further options which we can scroll through just like so. We also have the reversing camera to stick the car into reverse, and again the 360 view as just there. You can flick through the individual cameras just like that. Putting the car back into park and moving further down, we have the climate control down here. As you can see, you can adjust it just like so. While it's phone charging, we also have the gear stick just here. The cup holders, we have the park assist. If we press that button, it activates the park assist. We also have the electric handbrake as well, the auto hold button. The different drive modes just here. As you can see, we can flick through the different options that we have. We also have the auto start button, the hill descent control. We have traction control. Some storage just underneath this armrest, and also we have 2 Type-C USB ports. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.